Hey guys, I made these spiky clay candlestick holders and a little ghost. I bought these rechargeable USB candlesticks. I wrapped the bottom part in foil. I used this air dry clay. I kneaded the clay, then formed a ball. I made a hole like a pinch pot and wrapped it around the candlestick. Then flattened the bottom. I made one hole deeper than the other so that the candlesticks weren't the same height. I let the clay harden a little before adding more clay to stabilize the base. To form a cleaner rim, I rolled a coil, scored it, and added it to the top. Then I added more clay to blend the parts. Wet the clay, score it, and blend the pieces. I kept the height of the holders the same. I rolled mini balls and pinched them to form these spikes that look like mini chocolate chips. Next, I removed the foil, then cleaned up the rim. I made sure that the candle still fit. I wet the clay, scored it, and blended the parts. I made a dome shape for the ghost. I carved the eyes. Then sprayed it with water and refined it. Next, I made hands. I scored and combined the pieces. I waited a few days to make sure that the clay was completely dry. Then I painted the candlestick holders black. I wanted the ghost to be slightly off-white, so I blended white with a tiny bit of tan. Then painted the ghost. I painted the eyes black. I saw a crying ghost on Instagram that looked cool, so I tried to make a similar version. I added gloss to the ghosts. I also added gloss to the inner part of the candlestick holders. I wanted to keep the outer part matte black. And here's how they turned out.